measurement. To convert from one system of measurement to another, it's wise to use proportions. We use proportions to change from one measure to another within the same system as well. For example, if 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, then how many meters are in 6.5 kilometers? So we set up our proportion is 1,000 meters for 1 kilometer. That's 1 over 1,000 to be equal to 6.5, and we don't know how many thousands of meters. So what we would do is cross multiply and solve. So we would take 6.5 and multiply it times the 1,000, then divide by 1. So 6.5 times 1,000 is 6,500 meters. This is pretty simple. But what if I needed to know how many miles were in 6.5 kilometers? Well, first we would need to know the conversion rate, like a unit rate, to make the calculation. Well, if we have the unit rate, or the conversion rate, of 1 mile for 1.60934 kilometers, then we can calculate the distance for 6.5 kilometers. So what we would want to do is we would want to set up a proportion. Now, as you see in this situation, I have put kilometers on the top and miles on the bottom. As long as I stay with this, it should be fine. So we write down how many kilometers that we know in our conversion rate, which is 1 in this very large number, 100 thousandths, divided by how many miles it takes for 1 and that big number, kilometers. Then we have to figure out what we were looking for. We don't know how many miles are in kilometers, so the miles will be our variable. And I put m to remind myself this is in miles. So our kilometer is 6.5 kilometers. Now we cross multiply 6 5/10 times 1 and 1 point of this big number times m. Oops, hang on. If we do 1 decimal 60934 times m, we get this. And 6.5 times 1 is 6.5. Now if we divide both sides by 1.60934, these cancel. And we get m is equal to 4 and 389 10,000ths miles.